If the ratio of the corresponding sides of two solids is A is to B, then the ratio of volumes of the two solids will be A cubed is to B cubed. Let's take a look at the diagram here. We have solid P, solid Q, and solid R. The ratio of the length of each solid is 1 is to 2 is to 3. The ratio of the volumes would then be 1 cube is to 2 cube is to 3 cube, which we will get 1 is to 8 is to 27. We use the same method to find the ratio of the mass of each solid, which we will get 1 is to 8 is to 27. In general, the ratio of the masses of similar solids is equals to the ratio of the volumes of the solids, which is equals to the ratio of the corresponding length of the solid to the power of 3. Let's take a look at this example. Since both cones are similar, we can make use of the ratio of the corresponding height. By equating the corresponding radius and the corresponding height, we get R equals to 3 cm. To find the ratio of the volumes, we will need a pair of corresponding length. In this case, we take 4 over 8 to the power of 3, which we will get 1 over 8. From this ratio, we know that the volume of the smaller cone is 1 unit cube, while the volume of the larger cone is 8 unit cube. Therefore, the volume of the remaining part of the larger cone, which is this volume, is 7 units cube. The required ratio would be 1 is to 7.